Solana's earlier in the adoption curve, so it means the percentage changes are larger. So that's how I see it with that. You can see the start of crypto spring, which was the breakout of this pattern and the slight acceleration. That's as we're getting to warmer days of spring, as it were. But really, summer happens when you break the previous all-time high in market cap and things go utterly bananas.
It's no secret that the crypto market has been on a roller coaster ride lately, but fear not, because Raoul Pal, the maestro of macro investing, is here to guide us through the twists and turns. Raoul Pal isn't just any investor. He's the guy who's been making waves in the financial world with his bold predictions and spot-on analysis. And when he speaks, people listen. Why? Because he's got the track record to back it up. In a recent interview, Raoul dropped some truth bombs about where he sees the crypto market heading. From Bitcoin to Ethereum and beyond, he's got his finger on the pulse of the digital asset space. Hold on to your seats, because we're about to uncover Raoul Pal's perspective on the crypto market and learn why his words carry so much weight in the world of finance. So grab your favorite energy drink, kick back, and get ready to level up your crypto game. This is one ride you won't want to miss. Let's dive in.
So this is ex-Ethereum, so this is the rest of the space really starting to accelerate. And sometime in 2024, we will hit all-time high market cap of altcoins, and this chart will go truly into the banana zone, which I know is a very fun time. People lose their fucking minds in this period, and I'm urging you to remember my rules about don't use leverage, keep top 3, top 5 market cap tokens. If you are going to go out the risk curve, do it with 10% of your capital or less. Just be careful out there. Don't fuck this up. This is a gift, but you can screw it up by getting greedy, getting FOMO, and doing stupid shit you shouldn't do. Just don't do that. If you want to have some fun, catch an altcoin season, do it with your 10%. Who knows? You might make a 10x on it. Chances are you'll end up with a bunch of embarrassing stuff in your wallet that goes to zero over time. That's the way it works.
Just like the 4 seasons of the year, the crypto market goes through its own cycles of growth and change. And according to Raoul, we're currently transitioning into one of the most exciting seasons yet, crypto summer. Raoul Pal's insights shed light on why Ethereum takes center stage during this period. It's not about Ethereum being a dead chain or facing criticism, it's about recognizing its potential and having the patience to let it shine. So why is summer the prime time for crypto gains? It's all about the momentum, baby. As we bask in the warmth of crypto summer, the market experiences a surge in activity, with prices soaring and investors cashing in on the excitement. Ever heard of the banana zone and why it is such a big deal in the crypto market cycle?
So this is the rest of the space really starting to accelerate. And sometime in 2024, we will hit all-time high market cap of altcoins, and this chart will go truly into the banana zone.
But here's the kicker. Altcoin season doesn't just happen overnight. It unfolds gradually, starting with a few promising projects gaining traction and snowballing into a full-blown frenzy of buying and selling.
So spring is green. We had a great spring this year. Summer is when a lot of the gains start to happen. Fall was tricky last time around. We got a stunted cycle. If you remember, that kind of double toppy style thing was highly unusual. 2017, 2013 were more typical, obviously, of the fall season. And so we don't know how this one's going to play out. I think it plays out more like 2013, 2017, but it's all assessing the odds as we go. But right now, this is the easy year, the summer. So we should just be able to set it, forget it, and let the gains accumulate. And then very soon, like in the next month and a half, we will start to hit the banana zone. And this is what happens when you hit the banana zone. Things get absolutely wild, which is the really magical part of why this is the greatest macro trade of all time, is this part. And it's coming. Will it look the same as others? Who knows? Some have been absolutely crazy, others were more difficult, like the last cycle, but that's usually what happens when we hit altcoin season. From summer and then into fall, things get really, really exciting. Now, at Exponential age asset management, I won't talk much about that.
By doing your homework and staying ahead of the curve, you can capitalize on the explosive growth of altcoins and ride the wave of momentum to new heights. But remember, with great opportunity comes great risk, so always tread carefully and never invest more than you can afford to lose.
So in a nutshell, this space is going from 2.7 trillion in market cap. It'll get to something like 10, 12 trillion in this cycle. It'll then have an inevitable bear market. Whether it's as big as the previous bear markets or not, we can't tell. We've now got new participants putting in their 401k money every 2 weeks. Maybe they all panic out. Nobody knows. But it doesn't matter, because those sell-offs are the opportunity. If you can, take some lifestyle chips off. Protect yourself in the great crazy days later this year. And then you're fine. Then you can run it if you want to. You don't have to. I will.
Now that we've got a grasp on the seasons of crypto, let's dive deeper into how Raoul Pal assesses market trends and uncovers potential outperforming assets. Strap in, because this is where the real magic happens. In his own words, Raoul Pal breaks down the market with surgical precision, using a combination of technical analysis, fundamental research, and good old-fashioned intuition to spot the next big thing. So how does Raoul Pal separate the winners from the losers in the crypto market? It's all about spotting opportunities before they become mainstream. Whether it's a promising project with revolutionary technology or a hidden gem flying under the radar, Raoul Pal knows how to spot a diamond in the rough. In a world of volatility where one wrong move can cost you dearly, Raoul Pal emphasizes the importance of managing risk with precision and care. But what exactly does that entail? Raoul Pal's first rule of thumb: say no to leverage.
And I'm urging you to remember my rules about don't use leverage. Keep top 3, top 5 market cap tokens. If you are going to go out the risk curve, do it with 10% of your capital or less. Just be careful out there. Don't fuck this up. This is a gift, but you can screw it up by getting greedy, getting FOMO, and doing stupid shit you shouldn't do. Just don't do that. And again, I'm going to reiterate the don't fuck this up. Don't use leverage, because it's a way for people to take your coins. Store your coins carefully. Don't let anybody else have them. I think most of the big exchanges are safe, but to be extra safe, I don't really leave stuff on exchanges. It's all in cold storage. Yeah, it's a pain to set up, but once you do it, you feel safer. Then, don't FOMO into stupid shit because your friends are making money, or you're seeing some bloke making money in a meme coin. If you want to do stuff outside of the 3 or 4 big cryptocurrencies, then do it with 10% of your money. There you can have fun. There you can be a gambling, filthy degen. But don't do that with the bulk of your assets, because you think you're never going to get a chance. How are you going to grow your 2 grand? It will compound over time. Just trust me on this. And then you can play for the 100x's or whatever you do. You will probably lose money in that 90% bucket. When I look at my own allocation is probably 1% memes and shit like that. Most of it is just straightforward, and I don't use leverage. And even though I've used leverage over years, I don't want to use leverage in a market that is this volatile. Anyway, remember, this is just part of the education. Go to Real Vision, I beg you, realvision.com, and just smarten yourself up. Turn the information that you see into a world of knowledge and wisdom.
Raoul Pal also stresses the importance of maintaining a diversified portfolio, a strategy that's as old as investing itself. By spreading your investments across different assets, you can mitigate risk and protect yourself from market downturns.
That's usually what happens when we hit altcoin season. From summer and then into fall, things get really, really exciting. Now, at Exponential Age Asset Management, I won't talk much about that, is we actually build a whole portfolio allocation of where we want to be on the risk curve, using lots of factors that Julian Bittel has put together, from the everything code, valuation percentiles, volatility, where we are in alt season, different measurements of all of this, these 9 different things, and then give it a total score. Right now, we're at 9.2 out of 10. So almost at max risk taking, but we're not there yet because we haven't got, we're not fully into summer, but that day will come and we allocate to managers accordingly.
At the heart of Raoul Pal's approach is a rigorous risk scoring system that evaluates various factors such as volatility, valuation percentiles, and market trends. So what are the key takeaways from Raoul Pal's wisdom? Well, for starters, patience is key. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are successful crypto portfolios. By staying informed, educated, and disciplined in your investment approach, you can weather the storms and emerge stronger than ever. So keep your eyes on the prize, stay focused on your goals, and never stop learning. The future of finance is here, and the possibilities are endless. Happy investing, and may the crypto gods be ever in your favor.